In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your AirPods 4 are not working. This could be a connection issue or maybe a battery issue. I'll show you two tricks that should solve your problem. So the first one is to simply factory reset them. This can be done in only a few seconds. But before doing that, I always suggest that you disconnect them completely from your phone, okay? Before doing anything. So you're gonna go into the settings of your iPhone. And maybe your AirPods will appear in this top menu of the settings of your iPhone. If not, don't worry, just go into Bluetooth. Here are all the devices connected, including your AirPods. Find them in the list and click on the right side eye icon. You see, there's an eye. Great. Now go all the way down and select Forget this device. Forget device. Forget device. Okay, great. Turn your screen off. We won't need it for the next step. Now it's time to factory reset your AirPods 4. So what you need to do is to open the lid here. Close the lid. Now you wait until this light is turned off. We're gonna reopen the lid. And what you need to do next, you need to do it quickly. So I'll just demonstrate. Double tap the front here. Double tap again, and double tap another time. The light will switch to red. It will flash a few times, just wait. And then it will switch to white, flashing white. It simply means that they are now factory resetted and ready to be paired again. So once you see this, simply take your iPhone again, close the lid, open. Usually you should have a pop-up screen appearing down below. If not, don't worry. You should get under devices in your Bluetooth settings, your AirPods. Click on them and they're now reconnected. Honestly, this takes like a minute and can solve many issues. Fortunately, I hope that now it works. If this didn't work, it may mean that the battery of your AirPods is the issue. Maybe they are not charging properly. You thought they were charging, but they're not. First thing that I always recommend is to remove them from the case and inspect and see if there's any dust, anything blocking this connector over here to touch the metal connectors inside of the case. Sometimes there's earwax or debris, anything like that, dust. Okay, once you know for sure that that's not the issue, check the connector over here. Again, sometimes there's debris, dust, many things that can get inside, especially if you put them in your pockets. That will forbid you to charge them. If you're sure that this wasn't the issue, what I suggest is that you take another USB Type-C cable than the one that you're usually using. Maybe a friend can borrow you one, or maybe that's the cable that you use to charge your phone. Use another one just to make sure that this wasn't the issue. Connect it to your AirPods, connect it to your wall outlet, and wait about 30 minutes. Okay, this is very important. And after, because if they were completely dead, even if you plug them in a wall outlet, you may not see any LED coming up right away since they were completely at 0%. Anyway, so after 30 minutes, go ahead, disconnect it, and hopefully this time they will work. If you have any other tips on how to fix issues of this kind with your AirPods 4, please let me know in the comments down below, or if one of these worked, type something there. I'm always grateful to read you, and I'll see you in the next video.